morning, guys. Thank you for tuning into Alliance Tech. So today is Saturday and we are replacing a Bitzer recip compressor. I think it's like 34 or 35 horse. Not that big, but it's kind of cool. It's on a rack, so we're gonna set up a gantry trolley system to get this thing out of there. So I got a bunch of this double stack unistrut or double wall, whatever they call it, and brackets, bolts, all this stuff to kind of put this together and erect this system so we can get this compressor off the rack. They don't make these things friendly to get out, so there's not that much room in this unit. It's like a container, so it's exactly so they built it out of a container. So it's kind of neat. But so we're gonna go ahead and get inside and get this thing erected, pull the compressor out. Johan's inside right now. He is disconnecting the electrical, pumping the compressor down, and recovering the charge that's in it into the low temp right now. So there's 3 suction groups on this rack. You have low temp, medium temp, and high temp. So low temps run -10 degree room. Medium temp is a 35 degree room, and the high temp is a 50 degree room. So stay tuned and I'll see you inside. Alright guys, here's the rack right here. It's going to be noisy in there, so bear with me. put it on the new compressor. Alright guys, we got the compressor all, the new one all ready to go. We're going to put it back in place right now. Alright guys, we got it all finished. So we got compressor in, we got it wired up, all the safety's all done. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, we're in here right now. There's the new compressor. All wired up. Maintain heater's online, all pressure's working, all the safeties are working. We verified the motor control, we verified the sun low pressure safety, and we verified the high pressure safety. Everything works. The compressor's online right now. Compressor BA 94 PSI, the oil pressure, we're good to go. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. I'll see you on the next one.